What is E-Track? So you may have seen this track in semi-trailers, moving vans, different kinds of job trailers, that sort of thing. What is this track and what is it for? This particular track is called E-Track. It's the most common series on the market, Series E. There's also a version of this that's called A-Track that has a very similar slot. And there's also a product called X-Track. The same fittings can be used in any of this track. We have it in a vertical and a horizontal style. The vertical obviously runs vertical up and down the wall. The horizontal runs horizontally along the wall. The slots are going to be the same in all of these tracks except the same fittings. The main difference between the vertical and the horizontal, the vertical obviously runs vertical up and down the wall, so you have more flexibility moving things up and down. The horizontal runs lengthwise down the wall, so you have more flexibility front and back. Typically on the horizontal there will be multiple rows on the side of the truck or trailer. With the vertical, those are typically spaced out every 42 or 48 inches to give some flexibility. The way the track is mounted to the side of the trailer can vary in the truck or trailer. Typically it's installed by the trailer manufacturer. We also sell the track independently, so it can be installed aftermarket in your truck or trailer. And it's typically fastened to the ribs, the structural ribs inside the trailer, to give it some more integrity. As far as a strength rating on the track, the rating on the track itself is assigned by the manufacturer, the installer, whoever installs it, depending on the fasteners that are used and so forth. But generally speaking, the track is going to be at least as strong as any fittings or straps you install into it. So all the fittings and straps will have a working load limit. The track itself doesn't necessarily have a working load limit because of the different installation methods, whether you're using rivets, screws, the structure that it's going into, etc. So the fittings that install into the track have a spring-loaded release, and you can get these on the ends of straps. You can get various accessories that lock into this track. But again, whether you're looking at E-Track, A-Track, X-Track, as long as it's the track with this kind of rectangular slot, the fittings are interchangeable.